Welcome back. Today's adventure has us going from Mitchell Airport in Milwaukee to the Milwaukee Art Museum. Now, this is my preferred route. It's not stressful, it's scenic, it's not going to get you there the quickest or in the shortest distance, but this is going to be a great trip. And we're going to start out just past the baggage claim area, so stick around. I'll be right back. Once you get past baggage claim or car rental, you'll end up on this curve that goes to the left. Just follow that, and we'll see you in a bit. Here you see you have a choice of taking 94 or Howell Avenue. You're going to want to get on Howell Avenue, so stay to the right. And once you get on Howell, you will be making a right-hand turn, so stay in the right lane. So here's Howell Avenue. You'll be turning right, which is going north. We're going to take this up the road about a mile until we get to a road called Layton Avenue, where we'll be making another right-hand turn. I'll speed it up so the trip up Layton doesn't take so long. See you in a bit. Now that we've turned right onto Layton, we're going to continue east to Lake Parkway, where we'll be making a left-hand turn to get onto it. For you eagle-eyed viewers out there, yes, there is an edit. At one point, I made a wrong turn. Sorry. Once you get about half mile, 3/4 of a mile down Layton, on the right-hand side, you're going to see this little observation lot. If you have time, I highly suggest you visit it. You can watch airplanes take off and land, and if they're using the right runway, they're like right over your head. You can even tune your car radio to 88.5, and you can listen to the tower. It's a lot of fun. I go there all the time, take a lunch, and just watch airplanes. It's one of my most favorite places in Milwaukee. So we're making our left-hand turn, and we're going to head north on the Lake Parkway for a few miles. I'll join up with you again soon. Just a little heads up, you're going to be cruising at about 50, 60 miles per hour when you're going to come up to Oklahoma Avenue, and there's a set of stoplights here. So just keep an eye out for it. It is pretty well marked. We're now coming up to the Hone Bridge. It's one of the most spectacular views of Milwaukee you have, and I just love going over this bridge. I love seeing the lake and the skyline. You just can't beat this view of Milwaukee. The building on the left is the U.S. Bank building, which used to be called the First Wisconsin building. That building is famous because it appears for a split second in the Blues Brothers movie when the car is doing the backflip off the bridge that goes to nowhere. When you get to the bottom of the ramp, we'll be heading north on Lincoln Memorial Drive. This is a happening little part of Milwaukee. You have the north end of our festival grounds, you have our Discovery World Museum. If you go left, you'll go up into downtown Milwaukee itself. But if you continue going straight like we're going to do, we're going to stay on the lakefront. And up ahead in just a moment is our Milwaukee Art Museum, which is beautiful. I'll tell you more about that in just a second. Up ahead on the right, you can see the wings of the Calatrava exhibit at the Milwaukee Art Museum. Depending on weather, the wings are usually open during the day and they close at night. It's very spectacular to see, but my suggestion is don't park at the museum, park across the street and take the bridge across because you have the most spectacular view as shown in this picture. Thank you for joining me in this adventure. Take care.